babe.
Yes, my love.
You're in charge of making the food.
Which food?
The ground provision. You're in charge of your pot is boiling. The water is boiling, and the oil is ready to go. Ooh, mighty God, this bed is getting very heavy. Wow. Oh, we gotta move these tags. Let's see what the poll is saying. First of all, Jamaican folktale. I'm not talk to you anymore because you're not talking. Oh, I see. My mind tell me. Mind tell me. Mind tell me. Man, I that pick up the computer a long time. Just I play the game.
What do you mean pick up?
But
What do you mean pick up, babe?
You're very deceiving, man. Very deceiving.
You need help, babe?
No. No, you
No,
need
babe,
the
you need help.
No, my love. You need the help.
Send me help right there.
Mm-hmm.
My help come from the Lord.
My help coming from the Lord. What, babe?
Be deceiving. What
You're very deceiving,
no
man.
wickedness, babe.
It's not no wickedness.
No, you really say me deceiving, babe.
No, babe. You're very deceiving.
Goodness. Wow.
Give me the paper towel, please.
You don't say I take it, put it back over here, so.
Mm-hmm.
They give me problem.
Problem.
Problem. We now worry about them.
My God, I want to start upon myself.
Man, I want to
If you're just joining us, thanks for joining, babe. Do you have it on your status?
Yes.
Good
Happy
job,
for
babe.
Mr. Status and me know we don't him.
Oh my gosh.
Come again.
Me hope that they are here good enough because right now all me see is blackness. And if this yam no good, if this yam no good, me no have no comment. They say-
No, you have comment.
They say no have no
You
comment.
have comment.
But me the yam me no look like it good.
Carry it back.
Me can carry it back.
Me don't know, babe. Me don't know. I think so.
People look at this.
Look, imagine.
Imagine you go to the store, buy such big yam and get this. Well, me know I said something did off about it, but me didn't really like. I wanted the yam so badly, even though I knew it looked awful. I bought it. I didn't want my husband to get it from the Jamaican store because they're too expensive.
See, cost of more than.
And now I don't have any yam to eat.
More than expensive.
So, should I take it back?
The good things I mean by the banana.
Huh? Because I have the receipt.
Of course.
What do you think they're gonna do?
No refund, babe. Then I know my last one again.
Well, I'm gonna take it back to the store because it's not good.
No bueno. No bueno,
I got
mas.
nothing of the out of it. I have my receipt here. Luckily, I didn't destroy it.
Imagine, man.
Yellow. And it's not as expensive as the others. But yeah, I'm gonna take it back. Tomorrow. It's just sad because I wanted yam. That's what I wanted with my fish. So I'm gonna put it aside here to take it back to the store. Unfortunately, that's just sad.
Well, food. May I tell you?
Me not gonna make them. Me not really gonna make them cause me night to go back.